Hi friends, this is CA Vardhaman Rakhecha I. Welcome to ATS, India's leading broking house, which provides zero brokerage facility for both intraday as well as delivery transactions. In this video, I'm going to tell about the windfall taxation. The crude oil prices, which was negative back during COVID, had leapfrogged to $130 and presently it is hovering around $100. The reasons, of course, are the Russia-Ukraine war and also the supply constraints in Libya. Result of which the petrol prices started soaring all across the globe and it hurt badly India because India is a net importer of crude. And India's inflation started to go out of control, as a result of which Indian government decided to forego a portion of excise duty as they reduced the excise duty on petrol prices. This move led to almost a 1 lakh crore of loss is anticipated by this move. But Modi government smartly has introduced windfall taxation and it is predicted that this will recoup the losses which will happen due to a cut in excise duty. Windfall gain taxation was necessary because the oil marketing companies and the exporters have had a rampant profit since last year because the crude oil prices drastically reduced and that time they bought it in bulk, and when they are exporting they are selling at the present crude oil prices, which has rose tremendously. And if you observe, the situation is similar to COVID-19, wherein the oxygen cylinder, which was generally priced at 500 rupees, was sold as high as 50,000 rupees. And you can also observe the profits which the companies like ONGC and all are reporting are crazily higher since last 1 year. The profits of ONGC was almost 258% higher than the previous year. ONGC reported 123% higher profit than the previous year. So government on these windfall gain decided to tax. Windfall gain means a bonanza. In Hindi it is like chhappar par profit. So if you have windfall gain, you have to pay tax on it. The words of Finance Minister Miss Nirmala Sitharaman was that these are extraordinary times where the crude oil prices are soaring upwards, and in a country like India, which largely depends on import of crude oil, the oil companies are exporting it outside. So these companies have to think about the domestic supply and should first ensure that the domestic needs are fulfilled. So to ensure that the domestic supply is not disrupted, and also if you want, you can see the image which showcases that almost 85% of the oil of India is imported from outside, and as a result the government has decided to bring the windfall gain taxation so that these companies try to supply it within our country. And this move led to crushing of oil and refinery stocks as Reliance Industries tumbled 7% in one single day, and also similar impact was seen in other oil and refinery stocks on that day. Windfall tax will reduce the profit, as it is expected that the profit margins of the companies like ONGC and all will reduce by almost 25% to 40%. Similarly, the EBITDA of the Reliance Industries is expected to be hit by almost $3 to $4 billion. However, financial year earning estimates of Reliance Industries will not be going to be hampered much. And similarly, according to the rating agencies, there is not going to be any liquidity risk or quality risk of the Reliance Industries by this move. And in case of ONGC and other oil companies, although the profit margins are going to be impacted, but this will be mitigated by other factors such as low cost of production and also the soaring high petrol prices. But in the long run, the company will continue to earn the profit what it was expected to earn, and also the tax rate which the government has put will also be reviewed every fortnightly. If you have been holding the stock from the long term perspective, then you can continue to hold because the tax rates all will be reviewed every fortnightly, and these are extraordinary times when the company is earning extraordinarily, and therefore the tax is also levied only for the extraordinary time. So in case you liked our video, Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you all.